Today we're going to be going through replacing this storage that is on the driver's side of the BMW Z4. For most people who I've seen online, we have the same problem. I've attempted to hold it down with some blue tacks. It fails right here, as you can see. The blades or whatever they call it, they just come off and then it becomes something of this nature. So what we're going to do is go through steps of how to replace it. So first things first, to make life easy, I've actually started off before I start recording. To make it easy for yourself, remove the trim on the door sill so you can get access to this side panel right here. This is what you want. It's just a bunch of clips that hold it down, and what you need to do is just use the prime tool, which I've already done before. So I just placed it in just so that you can see what it looks like. So just pull that off, throw it away. I'm joking, keep it to the side. And you can see in here where this little notch is, there is a screw. I've already removed that, as you can see, and that will give you access to this guy. What you have to do now is pull it. There we go. And once that is pulled to the side, you can see the two screws that hold it. I've not actually done this part yet, so we're going to be doing it together. I don't know what that is. T something? T10 maybe? I don't know these numbers. So we're going to attack that right now. That's a lie. That is a T20 screw. And we're going to get that out. We have to be careful we don't lose it. There you go, that's one out. Hopefully it just falls out. Then I can replace it with a new one. Two screws done. What happens next is a good question. Just removing another two screws here. Hopefully that will get us closer to where we need to be. Yeah, I'm saying it looks like clips. See if I can push it out. Let's see if that works. If that works, that'd be great. I'll have to put the camera down, but essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to push these clips. There you can see my finger pointing at. I don't know if you can see that. See if they work. Took this out so I can have more space. It's almost out, but there's something still holding it back. I don't know what. Maybe another couple of screws. Maybe, we'll see. I'm gonna attempt to remove the screws. These three. Hopefully it will give me a better view of what I need to do. We made more progress. Right, so right behind there, there's another two screws. Right here, 1 and 2. We're gonna remove those. It's out. It's finally out. So these are the two screws in the back. Now onto the replacement. This is the new used part that's going into it. I got this from eBay. About £25, so not too much. As you can see, it's got all the tabs properly, and you can open and close it. That's all we need. So we're gonna shove that in there now and build it back up the same way we took them out. Bam, just like that, it's clicked in. Yeah, as you can see, it's sitting in there now. We're just gonna screw it in. So basically everything we did before, we're gonna do in reverse. Whew. Yeah, the small one at the back was a bit more difficult to do, but we got there in the end. That was a struggle, just have to persevere. Don't forget the last one. It goes in about there. There you go. I just don't know if you can see it there. Oh, you can see it. This one right here. And that's that section done. And now to complete the installation. A little trim. Just a couple of punches. Hold it down. And that's it. Job done. So now, yeah, boy, it's back. Well, how long until it breaks again? We'll see. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye. Peace.
Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whip on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl